How to fix mobile data on but internet not working problem in mobile. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to cellular. First of all, turn on cellular data. Toggle this button on. Once turned on, you have to scroll down and move into apps. Click on show all apps. Turn on the cellular data of the application that you want to use with mobile data. Sometimes this might be turned off, so it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. So make sure to turn on. Once you have turned this on, check out whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, go back and head over to General. Scroll down and move into VPN and Device Management. You have to make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN. Once again, go back and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Once done, now the last thing you want to do is start your device. Tap and hold the oscilloscope touch and click on Restart. Restarting the device has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.